Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to change your email on Tinder. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Tinder, open the app, and after that, click on Profile in the bottom right of the screen. After that, click on the settings icon on the top right of the screen. Scroll down a little bit until you will find email. Click on it. And as you can see here, you can just delete that email address like that and put another one and click on send email verification. And by verifying your email, you will update it and get the new email linked to your Tinder account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.